could you discuss some of the most effective strategies that you've found that that companies can use to, retain customers, reduce churn?
Yeah, it's a big topic, and I always point customers or any subscription, and specifically SaaS is where we spend a lot of our time.
Yeah.
The first place to go when you're thinking about retention is your pricing, because everything funnels down from your price points, the market you're serving. But what we're learning more importantly, especially as the market starts getting more sensitive to all the subscriptions they have, and businesses are becoming more aware of all the tools that they're subscribed to, is your pricing model can drive a lot of what retention strategies you need to put in place. So, that's generally where we advise customers to start, is how you're positioning the product and how the pricing works. And then, working on engagement and activation is kind of the first order of business, making sure that, your customers are getting onboarded, they're using the product, and then they're converting, right? So your engagement and your pricing model at that point, that's kind of the start of product market fit. And those are parts of retention that are hard to automate, right? It's like you need humans looking at it, making strategic decisions, talking to customers. That's really, that's the real art part of retention. Where we come in, and what we've really been focused on, is everything that happens at that point. So starting at the end of the customer life cycle, with when they're actually deciding to cancel, how to collect that information, understand why customers are leaving, what are the specific things that they're citing when they're leaving, and then how to start building retention strategies or win back strategies. You can't save every canceling customer. That's really where the journey of Turnkey started. So that's generally where we start, is looking at the very beginning of the customer life cycle, the pricing and the onboarding and activation, and then also looking at the end of the customer life cycle. Why are customers canceling? Starting to collect all of that data, and then you start working those 2 points back to one another until you finally have a nice, healthy customer life cycle journey that you have very specific, action points within.